So in 2016, that's when things started to change. There were layoffs. There were layoffs in 2017. What was happening inside the company?
We were trying a lot of new things. Just because you're successful in one area doesn't mean it necessarily translates to success in another. I use an analogy that just because you're an all-star pitcher doesn't necessarily mean you can go and play quarterback. In an effort to grow GoPro beyond our initial success, we tried many different things that made a lot of sense.
At one point, you were like, we're going to be a media company.
That's right. And I still think we have a lot of opportunity in many of these areas and more. But we didn't have the right approach. We didn't have the right skill set. And I think we maybe took on too much too soon. And we would have been better served, I believe, to stay, hindsight's 2020, but to stay very focused on what our core purpose, I believe our core purpose in the world is, which is to help people capture and share experiences that would otherwise be difficult to do. And now we're back to that. And wouldn't you know, the business is growing again. We're on track for profitability again.
You also got into drones. And that, at the time, also made sense. But then the drones started falling out of the sky, and it was all caught on GoPro. What went wrong there?
It was a very big deal because of a very simple problem. There was a hinge that holds the battery into its compartment. The hinge was made out of plastic, and it would deflect over time and lose its retention, and the battery would back out from vibration. And you only have to have a battery back out just a little bit to lose power. Once we replaced that hinge with a metal hinge, problem solved. But our challenge in the drone space wasn't because of that initial product failure. It was because there's just the consumer drone market. We're a consumer company, consumer product company. Consumer drone market just isn't as big as everybody thought it was going to be. We looked at it and we said, not enough of our customers want these. There's not enough profit to be made. It's too expensive to be in. Let's get out of the business.